Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to fix DoorDash login error. If you're trying to sign into your DoorDash account using your DoorDash application on a mobile device, and if you're not being able to do so, then here's how you can easily fix the issue. The first thing you'll need to do is to check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection, whether you're using a Wi-Fi or cellular data. You can also try switching to a different network or restarting your router. Now open the DoorDash application and get to the sign-in page. Make sure that you are entering the correct email address and password. If you don't remember your password, you can go ahead and reset to a new password by tapping on Forgot Password. Always make sure that you're entering your credentials correct. Even after entering the correct credentials, if you're not being able to fix the issue, then go ahead and clear your app cache and data. Simply open the Settings app on your mobile device. If you're on iOS, go and tap on General. If you're using Android, go ahead and tap on Apps and select DoorDash and tap on Storage. On your iOS device, go ahead and select iPhone Storage option and then select the DoorDash application from the list. Once you end up in this page, tap on Offload App and tap on Offload App one more time. On your Android devices, you'll need to tap on Clear Cache and Clear Data. Once you've done so, reinstall the application by tapping on Reinstall App and wait until the application gets reinstalled again. Once you've reinstalled the application, launch it open to see if that fixes your login issue. Sometimes, because you are using an outdated version of DoorDash app, you might go through this issue. So make sure that you update your DoorDash app by going to your App Store or your Play Store, type in DoorDash food delivery application and tap on the update button if available from this page. Once you have the latest version for the application, you will be able to fix your issue. So those were some of the fixes you can try if you're going through DoorDash login error. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.